Hi, this is Tini Norkia, formerly Norkia Family Philippine Adventure. It's in the evening, is about 10 to 15 minutes past 9 p.m. now in the evening. Very humid. We experiencing now the rain season. It's raining now more than it rained previously. There's a lot of rain, and yeah, and it's humid, and it's not so bad. The rain, not too heavy. How many millimeters rain? That I would like to measure and see what is the millimeters rain in the evening. But just rain in the evening, now then in the afternoon from 4 to 5 p.m. But most of the rain is during the evenings that it rains. Just some update news. What I've seen from the Philippines is that it's an alarming warning from the Department of Health in the Philippines that there's a 500% increase of HIV cases. 500%. Just Manila alone, they reported in the newspaper that 57 people per day report positive, been diagnosed positive with HIV. Just Manila, 57 a day. So I remember when the time back in South Africa, when we had this most of the highest cases in Africa and in the world. It was a big alarming factor. Yeah, everyone was very cautious and being tested if you're still positive or negative for the HIV virus. That is a virus that will take and kill most of the population. Now I can understand that this is quite high in the Philippines. If you just, for example, take all the Filipinos working overseas, if they in sexual relationships, coming back home, you never know what virus they are carrying. So for the single guys that's coming to the Philippines looking for partners, this is really a warning to take care and be cautious, because you don't want to sit at the end of the day with a positive HIV problem. It's a big issue, and I don't think many people is really prepared for this. As I noticed in the Philippines, like any other tools like condoms, it's not so available. I know now in the pharmacies you can buy it, but as I believe previously it was not very much available. So you have to take care, and you've got to keep this in mind. What also very alarming is that they said most of the reporting is youth, young people under 25. There's the most highest contamination of HIV. Now, HIV is something that can just transmit through blood, saliva, any urine, stuff like that. But it breaks down totally the immune system, and different other type of sicknesses start to grow in your, especially TB. TB is something that comes from the effect of positive HIV. So TB is something that can kill a lot of people because your immune system is down. I know they've got boosters to boost in South Africa, the medication to boost your immune system, and also to work against this virus. I know some of them is quite successful. I don't know the Philippine government how they're going to support the HIV infected people in the Philippines. If they're going to sponsor some of the medication or what they're going to do. But I know it's alarming when HIV is so high, and starting to grow like a spread like a wildfire. It's and I don't know how these people are prepared to prevent it. Sexual education, personal hygiene, and the using of condoms as one of the main strategies to try and stop this and let it not spread. I don't think they expect, because as I believe 10 years back that HIV was very, very low, especially in Asia. But now it's increasing. As I said in the paper, 500% increase on HIV infected people. That's the whole Philippines, and 57 a day in Manila. I mean, there's still the other big cities, because the Philippines is more than 100 million people, and lots of these people is working abroad as OFWs in the seamen. One another time, if somebody is in a relationship in another country, you don't know really what that person, what infections and what sickness the other person have. You don't really know. So that is just something that you need to take care and keep it in mind. And also what I see is also now alarming, starting to increase very strong certain areas, is monkeypox. Monkeypox is also increasing very, very strongly. There's some of the senators that already suggested that some people they should make it compulsory to wear masks. But I say up to now it's not compulsory yet, but certain public places they recommend that you wear masks due to the spread of monkeypox is also very. So yeah, that is something to keep in mind, please. And otherwise, we've got rain here. We've got so far we still very happy in the Philippines. Things is going well. See, my YouTube views is not so good. I need to do something to improve my channel. What it is, I'm not 100%, but I'm starting to do some analysis to see how can I improve, how can I do better. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe, thumbs up, and send me some comments, and God bless. Take care. Bye.